Basic Web Technologies. In this video, we will explain you the various basic web technologies that you need to learn before you proceed to the next advanced web technologies. There are three basic web technologies that exist. 1. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the language used to describe and define the content of a web page. HTML is the code that you use to structure your web content and give it meaning and purpose. 2. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, are used to describe the appearance of web content. CSS is the code that you use to style your website. 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language used to add interactivity to a website. Example, things that happen when buttons are pressed or animation and so on. In the forthcoming videos, we will take you from a beginner to comfortable and then to an expert in web technologies. We will make you learn to construct a simple web page and publish your own simple code in future. You will go from nothing to getting your first web page online. You may be confused by various code editors, frameworks, and testing tools available. We will make you learn install basic software required to learn web development for your practice. Before you start writing the website codes for your website, you should plan it first for its content, design, fonts, colors, etc. A website consists of many files such as texts, codes, style sheets, media content, etc. Once you finish writing website codes and organize the files that make up your website, you need to put it all online so people can find it, which is called hosting. In the next videos, we will upload basic to advanced videos on HTML, then CSS, and finally JavaScript. Please watch all our upcoming videos. Thank you.